Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update the Nvidia driver, open Nvidia control panel, and ensure your GPU supports DSR. You need admin access. Once done, navigate to Manage 3D Settings and select the Global or Program Settings tab. Choose Program for per game control. Then enable DSR factors and tick the desired one. 20x, 1, 50x, or higher factors. Make sure to save changes. You will refresh display options next, so don't launch your game yet. Once you enable factors, you tune DSR smoothness. Think of it as a sharpening slider. Set lower for crisper detail, higher to reduce aliasing. Start around 20%, 30% and iterate. Then choose resolution in your game's display menu. DSR will list higher resolutions like 2560x, 1440 or 4K, even on lower native panels. If you used program settings, make sure the correct executable is selected. Finally, test a graphics-heavy scene to measure frame rate impact and adjust factors accordingly. You finish by validating stability. Run a benchmark or play a demanding level while monitoring FPS and GPU temps. If performance is unacceptable, lower the DSR factor or try enabling DLSS or FSR where available. These give quality equivalent at lower cost. Make sure overlays like Discord or OBS aren't forcing resolution changes. If visuals look overly soft or artifacted, set DSR smoothness back to about 33% or disable DSR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.